Do you think fairy tale weddings exist only in movies? Well, meet our exquisite bubbly bride and quiet and charming groom. A true love story that unites a girl living in the heart of the pink city Jaipur and her lover from 1000 miles in Dubai join hands to celebrate their love with sugar. So, buckle up for some fun, laughter, and get ready for the story of the happily ever after. Today, our very own MUA Diksha Tanwar is all set to meet our adorable royal sugar bride.
Hi Anjali, hi Diksha, how are you?
She is truly an example of a traditional bride with modern thoughts. Our sugar bride knew exactly what she wanted.
So Diksha, I'm a big lover, big lover of sparkle makeup and glittery eyes.
During the discussion of what makeup look would go well with her outfit and also suit her skin texture, our experts suggested keeping the makeup neutral but enthralling.
क्योंकि हम लिप्स इतना हाईलाइट नहीं करेंगे, हम आईज ज़्यादा हाईलाइट करेंगे and it will look superb on you.
Her glowing, luminous look could have stolen millions of hearts, but it only belonged to one and only Swapnil. Our sugar bride looked like a dream and felt like a queen, a feeling that resonates with every sugar bride. A quick pro tip for all brides to be: if you go heavy on eye makeup, then make sure you go light on lips, and vice versa. Honestly, distance can never come in between of a true love. You know how they say, never give up when you know your love is true. Anjali and Swapnil's love story is a true example of that.
First time घर के बाहर जब हम मिले थे, it was like कि पूरा I planned everything. मैंने सोचा था कि भाई नहीं पता चलेगा किसी को, आराम से चुपचाप मिलके आ जाऊँगा, लेकिन उस दिन बहुत बड़ा कांड हो गया और सबको पता चल गया कि हम मिल रहे.
This isn't just a love story. It's a story of two soulmates tied together for a lifetime.
We are just like pieces of puzzle. We complete each other. There are some things which are not in me. There are some things which are not in you. But I think that we complete each other.
Thank you so much Swapnil. Really heart touching. अब तक definitely मैं डाइसी थी, लेकिन अब मैं डाइसी बिल्कुल नहीं हूँ. Thank you so much for these words and everything. Really means a lot to me. Hey love, you have made the journey to this special day easy, fun and a memorable one.
That's so sweet. That is lovely.
So here's a little sugar for my sugar bride child.
Anjali, here is a gift hamper for you from Sugar.
Oh wow, amazing. Is this really for me?
Yeah.
Great.
Amazing.
I'm a great lover of these lipsticks. Seriously, I'm very much blessed to have this gift. Thank you so much. So it was very good collaborating with everyone, Diksha, Sugar and everyone involved.
While our bride got a specially curated sugar bridal box, the groom was surprised with a Quench Botanics Korean skincare package.
We had a good time yesterday and today. Thank you so much, Sugar. Again and again and again.